Hey Rising Viber, thanks for clicking on the video. Today we are continuing to learn all about some of the healing properties of the stones slash crystals, whatever you want to call it. Today's stone slash crystal is the carnelian. Let's take a good look at this. I think this is actually called a carnelian goblet because it's like not quite a sphere or a full egg shape. It's just kind of like its own long oval egg shape. So I think it's a goblet. But carnelians are beautiful. They have like an orangish kind of transparent, like you can kind of see through it almost, but you can't because it's like so condensed in there or whatever. It's hard to explain, but it is a beautiful stone. And it has like some dark oranges, like almost reds, to like a light orange and a yellow, and almost even some like cream colors in a few pieces that I have seen, like marbled in. Just absolutely beautiful stones. I'm hoping you guys can see that. I know the glare of the light probably doesn't help much, but beautiful stone. There's a little bit of the lighter, creamier color if y'all can see that. I don't know. Anyways, we are gonna get on with learning all about this beautiful carnelian. I think I should push that up. I'm always putting those in horrible spots. Anyways, carnelian grounds and anchors you in the present reality. A stabilizing stone with high energy, it is excellent for restoring vitality and motivation and for stimulating creativity. It is useful for dramatic pursuits. Carnelian has the ability to cleanse other stones. Oh, I did not know that, y'all. That is super interesting. Psychologically, carnelian imparts an acceptance of the cycle of life and removes fear of death. In ancient times, it was used to protect the dead on their journey to the afterlife. It gives courage, promotes positive life choices, dispels apathy, and motivates for success in business and other matters. Carnelian is useful for overcoming abuse of any kind. This stone helps you to trust yourself and your perceptions. It gets to the bottom of what makes you tick, overcomes negative conditioning, and encourages steadfastness. Mentally, carnelian improves analytic abilities and clarifies perception. It removes extraneous thoughts in meditation and tunes daydreamers into everyday reality. It sharpens concentration and dispels mental lethargy. Emotionally, this stone is a powerful protector against envy, rage, and resentment, yours or other people's. It calms anger and banishes emotional negativity, replacing it with love of life. Carnelian is full of the life force and vitality. It stimulates the metabolism. Carnelian activates the base chakra, influences the female reproductive organs, and increases fertility. This stone overcomes frigidity and impotence, heals low back problems, rheumatism, arthritis, neuralgia, and depression, especially in those of advanced years. It regulates bodily fluids and the kidneys, accelerates healing in bones and ligaments, and stanches blood. I have no idea what stanches mean. New word of the day I need to look up. Carnelian improves the absorption of vitamins and minerals and ensures a good supply of blood to organs and tissues. Interesting. And they're all multiple colors of carnelian, but this just so happens to be like the red orange. There's also like pink and brown, I believe. So anyways, if you like the stone, if it resonates with you, if you have your own story to tell about what you've experienced with a carnelian, feel free to hit that comment section, hit the like button, let us know about it. Just an absolute beautiful stone. Anyways, all love is appreciated, you guys. Have a good one.